Zypto Wallet integrated with Pi Network. It means that now you can use Pi Network inside Zypto Wallet. Zypto Wallet is same like MetaMask wallet, Trust Wallet, Coinbase wallet. It is a decentralized wallet. In here you can send, receive, trade PiCoin. Even you can connect Zypto Wallet with decentralized exchange in order to use PiCoin. Also, you can use PiCoin in order to buy goods and services with Zypto Wallet. So inside this video, I will cover the whole thing. We will talk about this update deeply inside this video. Watch this video, share this video with everyone because in here we will see the functions, we will see some features, what benefits we will get with this integration, or I can say collaboration. Okay, now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Pi Network, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, even about Crystal Project, meme coin, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. So Zypto to add Pi Network wallet, a new era of a decentralized transaction. So let me show you. This is the Zypto wallet. You can download it inside Android phone, even inside iPhone devices. This is a decentralized wallet, like same like MetaMask wallet, same like Trust wallet, same like other decentralized wallet. Like easily, you can buy, sell, earn, spend, and trade crypto. Okay, so this development marks a major step forward for both the Pi network and Zypto users, enhancing the utility of Pi coins in decentralized transaction. So what this integration means? Zypto wallet, you can connect it with decentralized actions like we have PancakeSwap, we have Uniswap, we have Radium, we have many more decentralized actions. You can connect the Zypto wallet. You can use PiCoin in order to start the trading. Even you can purchase PiCoin inside decentralized exchange, decentralized exchanges. Even you can sell it using your Zypto wallet. Although you can hold your PiCoin inside a Zypto wallet. So once fully implemented, Zypto users will be able to store, send, and receive PiCoins directly within the application. More importantly, the integration will allow users to purchase goods and services seamlessly using PiCoins. So you can use PiCoin with this Zypto wallet. You can use it in order to purchase goods and services. Okay, a boost for the Pi network. So the Pi network has been getting traction globally as a decentralized cryptocurrency project focused on accessibility. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Pi coins can be mined through mobile devices. With minimal energy consumption, the integration with Zypto will significantly enhance Pi's usability. Of course, this is the first integration with Zypto Wallet. We might see further in the future another integration with other decentralized wallet like we have MetaMask wallet, we have Coinbase wallet, we have Trust wallet, we have Best wallet, and many more things. Okay, as you know, by collaborating with Zypto, the Pi network aims to solidify its position in the cryptocurrency market, providing its community of over 35 million pioneers with a practical, user-friendly way to utilize their holdings. So these are some key features of this integration. The first one is enhanced utility. The integration will allow Zypto users to use PiCoins for transactions within the application and beyond, bridging for the gap between digital assets and real-world usage. The second one is streamlined transactions. So with Zypto initiative interface, users can effortlessly manage their PiCoins alongside other cryptocurrencies, ensuring a seamless experience. And the third one is decentralized finance opportunities. Like you can connect the Zypto wallet with decentralized exchange. You can purchase it, you can use with a decentralized exchange, even with a smart contract, everything you can use inside the Pi network ecosystem. Okay, impact on the crypto ecosystem. The integration of Pi network wallet into Zypto is a testament to the growing adoption of user-friendly blockchain technologies. It aligns with Zypto mission to democratize access to cryptocurrencies, making them more accessible and practical for everyday everyday use. So this is how you can use PiCoin in Zypto wallet. I can say this is one of the best collaboration. Zypto Wallet, although you can use it inside your Android devices, inside iPhone devices, it means that now everyone, once Open Network launched, once Pi Network listed inside decentralized exchange, so Zypto users can purchase Pi coin inside decentralized exchange. By connecting their wallet, they can easily purchase the Pi coin. Okay, the last update is about the deadline of KYC and token migration. 31st January 2025. This is the deadline of KYC verification and token migration. So make sure before 31st January, make sure to complete the full KYC, make sure to complete your token migration, encourage your networks, just tell your referral to complete the KYC and token migration. You know, if you don't complete the KYC, if you don't complete the token migration, after open network, of course, you will lose your pipeline. You will not get any pipeline. So countdown timer available on the Pi Network platform to track remaining time. So completed migration over. 9 million Piners have migrated as of January 6, 2025. So 9 million Piners already completed their KYC, the token migration. They just completed, so still lots of users are remaining to complete the KYC and token migration. So this is all about the Pi network, the latest update, integration with Zypto Wallet. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Share your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this update? Smash the like button to anyone time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel. Make sure to click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. This video is end up being here to the next video. Goodbye. See you.